Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Joanna Sarah, aka the Blessed Family. So guys, welcome back once again. So guys, today I've been learning math. Yes, and the topic which is about how to change improper fractions into mixed fractions. So the whole topic is about fractions. So guys, yeah, that's what we have been tackling today morning. So guys, I wanted to study with you all. Yeah, I'm happy to be in Hesed because these teachers are always one-on-one with the students. Yeah. So guys, let's get started. So guys, this is what you are taught. Yeah, I hope you can see here. That's what you are taught, guys. No, as usual, man is to error. Failing one doesn't mean that you fed your life. That is what you are taught today. I hope you can see it. Yep. And that is the textbook that you are using here in Hesed International Academy. This is the British curriculum. So that is mathematics. So and this book, the algebra, it is in here. Let me show you guys here. About fraction. After showing you about fraction, with the next topic it's about algebra. That is in unit 1. Actually, I hope you can see that, page 19. About fractions, guys. Hope I can see it. Okay. Here they are, guys. Yep. What I've been tackling today. I hope you can see them well and clear, guys. That's what we do cover. And here in Hesed, the teachers do not neglect whether you are bright or you are not. The teacher takes you the way you are, and they are here to help, whether you are a bright learner or a slow learner. And as we students, we are here to help and to love each other and to be there in terms of their neighbors' need. So guys, as you can see the book, this is how it is, guys. So all said and done, let me go to today's business. So guys, I wanted to show my fellow students who are watching today. I wanted to teach about converting an improper fraction to a mixed number. So what is the meaning of improper fraction and mixed fractions, mixed numbers? Mixed numbers, it's like, okay, let's give an example like 3, 4 over 5. Yeah, and improper fraction, it's like 1 over 6. Yeah, that's what it means. So guys, let me give the example. Number 1, 5 over 2. 5 over 2. I was told to change it into a mixed number. Oh yeah. So converting an improper fraction to a mixed number, you have to divide it. I hope you understand. You have to divide the number. So like here, number 1, 5 over 2. So if I want to change the number into a mixed number, improper fraction into a mixed number, I have to divide it. So I said 2, 5, you see? 2 divided by 5, you see? So I said, so how many times can 2 go into 5? That is the first question you have to ask yourself before starting anything. So guys, what I said, 2 times, how many times can 2 go to 5? So I said, There is no number that I can divide, I get 5. So I said, what is the nearest number that I divide, I can get 4. So I said, 2 is to 2. 2 times 2, that is 4. So I said, 4. I hope you can see the 4, guys. Let me show you with a pen. There is a 4, guys, here. So I said 2 divided by 5. I said 2 times because of 4. After dividing, I said 5 minus 1. 5 minus 4, I said it's 1. I hope you can see. So I know there are so many problems, and so many students have the same problem in writing and changing into a mixed number. So the first number that you start with is the upper number. I hope you can see this upper number. Let me circle it. This upper number here, this is how we start with this upper number here. 2. We start with 2 whole number. That is, you always call it whole number. And this here, and the answer that you got, you write it here. So you said 2 whole number 1 over 2. I think we are together. Let me repeat it for the people who do not understand. Okay, 5 over 2. So I came down here. I divided my number. The way you can see it here, I said 2 divided by 5. And I asked myself, how many times can 2 go into 5? I said no. So I said, let me check the number that is nearest to 5. I said 2 times 2 is equals to 4. And that's why I wrote my 4 here. I hope you can see it. Then I said 5 subtract 4, I got 1. And here comes the big problem that everyone has. So I know there are some of my fellow colleagues in each and every school that you are. This is a problem that occurs in so many schools. Arranging the numbers into a mixed number. I hope you understand. Convert an improper fraction into a mixed number. So this, as you can see here, this is a mixed number. And here, this one, it's an improper number. I hope you can understand now. This is an improper fraction. This, it's a mixed fraction. So, remember I got my answer as 1. And I want to take my answer. So I say 2 whole number, 1 over 2. Where does my 2 come from, guys? My 2 comes from the upper number, that is this 2. So this 2, we write it as a whole number. And this answer 1, we write it as a fraction over 2. So I say 2 whole and a half. That is my answer. So number 2, we have 21 over 8. This is an improper number, improper fraction. I hope you understand that. So I came down here and I said, I divided 8 into 21. So I came down here and said, how many times can 8 go into 21? So I said 2 times because of 16. So, and I saw here, you can't, remember there are no number here, it was only 21. I know there are some of the students who will ask me, where did the 11 come from? I'm about to reach there. The 11 came because I said here there was 2. So I cancelled 2, I kept 1. So I kept the 1 here and it became 11. So I said 11 minus 6, it became 5. 11 minus 6, it became 5. So I got my answer as 2 5 over 8. So guys, I said 2 whole number 5 over 8. 2 whole number, remember guys what I said? It's the upper number, yes, the lower number, and the outer number 8. Now that is the easiest way you will always remember. Even though where you are, you will forget how to arrange it. Just remember the upper number, the lower number, and the outer number. That's how you'll get your answer. Very easy. So, next to the number 3. 11 over 6. Yeah, that's the easiest one, guys. I come and said 11 divided by, 6 divided by 11. So I said, how many times can 6 go to 11? I said 1 time because of 6. 11 minus 6, I said that's 5. So whole number 1, 5 over 6. The calculations are there, guys. I hope you can see it well and clear. So let me go to the next number, guys. I hope you can see it. 25 over 3. Changing it into a mixed number. So 3 is to 25. How many times can 3 go into 25? Guys, how many times? 8 times 3, 24. Remember? So I said and here there is no number. Don't ask me why I didn't write a number here. 2 take away 2, it's 0. So 0 means nothing. There's no need for me to write a 0 there. So here I came and said 5 take away 4, that is 1. So my answer, I got 8 whole 1. 1 over 3. So this is a third. That is a half. But for the people who will not understand, I will use the language that we do use. So 8 whole 1 over 3. So that is the answer. 8, remember guys what I said? Upper number, lower number, outer number. Let me repeat myself for the people who will forget. Upper number, lower number, outer number. That is the easiest and simplest way to remember how to write an improper number. So, guys, the next number is here, 19 over 7. Guys, I came and said, how many times can 17 go into 19? So I said, there is no number which I can divide, it will give me 19. So I came and said, what is the nearest number to 19? Because I have 7 here, I said 2 times 7, that is, will give me 14. Remember guys what I said? 1 to take away 1 is 0. 0 means nothing, so there's no need for me to write a 0 here because even it's waste of my ink. Okay, so here I said 9 minus 4, that is 5. I came and I wrote my answers. 2 whole 5 over 7. Upper number, lower number. No guys, let me help you again. Upper number, lower number, outer number. So the next question. So 27 over 35. So guys, I came and divided here. I said 5. How many times will 5 go into 27? 5 times because of 25. Here, 2 take away 2, 0. 0 means nothing. So here I said 7 minus 5 is equals to 2. So here I got my answer is 5 whole 2 over 5. Remember, outer number, lower number, upper number. Understood? So guys, the last question, this is that 5 over 9. I came and said, how many times can 9 go into 35? 3 times into 27. So I came and subtract. Here remember it was 3, so I said 3, I wrote here 2, here I wrote 15. And I can say 15 minus 7, that is 8. Remember here, 2 minus 2, that is a 0. So 0 means nothing, I got 8. So here, my answer is 3 whole 8 over 7. Upper number, outer number, lower number. Is it big? Okay, guys. Um, Here I want to show you. I hope you have understood the other side here. So let me show you the hard questions that are here. These are the easiest one. So like, if you are given a number like 150 over 13, what should you do? So you come and divide. You say, how many times can 13 go into 150? 11 times because of 143. So and you subtract. Here you say 4 and you place your 1 here. It becomes 10. So you say 10 minus 3, that is 7. You know here 4 minus 4, that's 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. So you can't write 0, 0 because that wasted your my pen. So 0 means nothing. There's no use for me to write 0, 0. Okay. So my answer, I got 11 whole 17. No. 11 whole 7 over 13. So my 11, yes, you can see this is the upper number, the way I taught you. Outside number, down number. Okay. The next question, 75 over 14. If you ask yourself, how many times excuse me, how many times can 14 go into 74? How many times can 7